Your home could be flooding right now and you wouldn't even know it. Water damage cases are rising fast in 2025, and homeowners in Kent and the Seattle area are seeing it more than ever. Sudden storms, old plumbing, and unnoticed leaks are turning small issues into major repairs within hours. Most people think flooding only happens during heavy rain, but indoor leaks from pipes, appliances, or water heaters actually cause more hidden damage. By the time you spot the water, your floors and walls have already started absorbing moisture, and once moisture sets in, mold begins growing within a day. Hardwood floors can warp, odors spread, and insurance companies may refuse coverage if you delay taking action. So here's the quickest way to minimize damage. Shut off the water, stay away from outlets, and call a certified restoration team instantly. Fast response is what saves your flooring, prevents mold, and keeps repair costs low. AWR Restoration and Cleaning in Kent, WA specializes in rapid emergency water removal, structural drying, and full insurance support. Whether it's water, flood, mold, or even fire issues, their team helps you stop the damage before it spreads. Water problems are becoming more common, but quick action can prevent a disaster. Stay prepared and protect your home. Subscribe for more simple home safety tips.